In Java, bitwise operators perform similarly operations as in other programming language. Java supports the following bitwise operators: bitwise AND operation between corresponding bit of two integers. For each bit position, it returns 1 if both operands have a 1 and the position, otherwise it returns 0. Bitwise OR. These operators perform a bitwise OR operation between corresponding bit of two integers. It returns 1 if at least one of the operands has a 1 at the position, otherwise it returns 0. In Java, logical operators are used to perform logical operation on Boolean value or expressions. There are three main logical operators in Java. Logical AND. The logical AND operators return true if both of its operands are true. If at least one operand is false, it returns false. For example, Boolean A equals true, Boolean B equals false, Boolean result A and B result is false. Logical operator. Logical OR. The logical OR operator returns true if at least one of its operand is true. It returns false only when both operands are false. For example, Boolean A equals true, Boolean B equals false, Boolean result equals A or B. Result is true. Java code demonstrates the use of the bitwise AND operator. To perform a bitwise AND operation between two integers A and B, here's a breakdown of the code. Public class bitwise example. This line defines a public class named bitwise example. Public static void main string args. This is the main method, which is the enter point of the Java program. It takes an array of string as input, but in this code, it's not used. Int A equals 5. This line declares and initializes an integer variable A with the value 5. Int B equals 3. This line declares and initializes another integer variable B with the value of 3. Int result AND equals A and B. This line calculates the bitwise AND of A and B and store the result in an integer variable result AND. The AND operators perform a bitwise AND operation on the binary representation of A and B. System out that print line A and B equals as result AND. This line prints the result of the bitwise AND operation to the console. It displays A and B equals followed by the value stored in the result AND variable, which is the result of A and B. The output of this code will be A and B equals 1. Int A 5. This line declares and initializes an integer variable with variable A with the value 5. Int B equals 3. This line declares and initializes another integer variable B with the value of 3. Int result OR equals A or B. This line calculates the bitwise OR of A and B and store the result in an integer variable result OR. The OR operator performs a bitwise OR operation on the binary represents of A and B. Systems out that print line A or B equals result OR. These lines print the result of bitwise OR operation to the console. It displays A or B equals followed by the value stored in the result OR variable, which is the result of A or B. In a specific example with a bitwise operation between 5 and 3 result in 7 because binary representation of 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. binary binary representation of 3, 0, 0, 1, bitwise OR of 5 and 3, 0, 1, 1, 1, which is 7 in the decimal. So the output of this code will be A or P equals 7. In this code defines a single program that checks if it's a good day or out for outside activities based on two Boolean variables, is sunny and is warm. Here's a breakdown of the code. The code starts with the declaration of the main class. Inside the main method, two Boolean variables are declared and initialized. Is sunny is set to true, indicating that it is sunny outside. Is warm is also set to true, indicating that it is warm outside. Next, there is an if statement. If is sunny and is warm, system.out.print. It's a great day for outdoor activities. Else, system.out.print. You might want to stay outdoors. This if statement checks to do condition. Is sunny is true, which means it's sunny. Is warm is true, which means it's warm. If both conditions are true, it's both sunny and warm. It prints the message it's a great day for outdoor activities to the console. If either condition is false, it's not sunny or not warm or both. It prints the message you might want to stay out indoors. This code evaluates the weather condition and advises whether it's a good day for outdoor activities or it is better to stay indoors based on the value of the sun is sunny and is warm. Boolean variables, since both variables are true. In this code, the output will be it's a great day for outdoor activities.